What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I will be turning the great Sailor Moon into Sister Moon. And I'm only using one photo. This is my reference photo of Sailor Moon. And I'm converting her into a sister. She will be reimagined in this video. And this will be done on Procreate. So once I have the reference photo, I put it to the side, and that is the pose I'm going for. The only difference is she's going to be a black woman, right? So working off a reference photo, especially a known character such as Sailor Moon, she has so much detail on her that makes her Sailor Moon that the challenge of this video is to capture everything about her within her accessories and the outfit she wears. So that is my first goal here, is just to make sure I capture the essence of Sailor Moon. This is the difference, as you see, is I'm giving her an afro. That's why I had to do that circle, just so I make sure I get the circumference at least somewhat circular, but I'm still doing the kinky hair, so it's not a perfect circle. Even though in some animes, they do have afros as perfect circles. And before I decided to do this, I didn't really realize she had so much intricacies about her, but the little intricacies that she does have, it's so, this character is so detailed and so much little things that just are so unique to this character. Before I took on this challenge, I had no clue. So first, I just want to make sure I get the shape of the body done correctly. And the initial drawing, I did measure out the head lengths because I wanted to make sure, you know, she is definitely has long legs and she has a unique body type. So I wanted to make sure she was not too short. So my initial measurement, she's around 6 1/4, 6.5 head length. So once you have that, and you get the other details in, you know, she wouldn't be thrown off too much. So once I had the initial body in, it's really just getting the detail and trinkets on, and the arm wraps, the elbow wraps. These things was much more tricky. Even the shoulder wraps was trying to, you know, get it to look as natural and Sailor Moon-esque as I can. And that's the thing with illustration and drawing. You don't want nothing to throw the eye off. So for a hand on top of her forehead, I created a new layer for that, just so I would be able to manipulate it and move it exactly where I wanted it to be, so it didn't take away from the original drawing. So once I had that, I erased the other forearm, and then I merged the layers, and now we are getting to work. It's just getting the colors in. And everything else is Sailor Moon, but the skin tone and the afro, right? And this is my favorite part, is the color drop, because that's where all the flavor is. So as you can see here, she is a very intricate character, right? So we are just getting the color into the little crevices. And now we are on to the shadow layer, and I created a new layer on top. Lower the opacity, and we are just going with lower the opacity of black, because you know once you do that on top of colors, it creates a different color automatically anyway. So I just like going this route. It just gets the job done. And yes, we are just getting the shadows in, and I'm following the original drawing as far as the shadow placements. And you want to make sure the shadow is closed up. Now we are coming with the shadow layer on the bottom, so it just shows she's standing on solid ground, even though the original drawing didn't have that. On to the highlights now. And this is one of the final steps, is the highlight, and we are done, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of Sailor Moon, aka Sister Moon. If you did, smack that like button and hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Leave me a comment. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.